Hey yo, boom! It's your boy King Ginger Cream de la Cream. Batsumti mantu mabuyu bambolunyu khase upodla manzi abafokazane bebhodla utshwala. Welcome to another exciting episode of Niyathembana na Couple Switching Phones mntanami. We're in the streets of Johannesburg, South Africa, and we are looking for lovers. Abantu abanomtshelo phakathi and King Ginger Cream de la Cream funa ukwenza sure uthelitswa iphakathi. Hey yo Mzansi, like it when you say it with me. It's going crazy. It's going bananas. It's a purple king mtanami. Shandere bobo. Si popo. Si. Take me straight to the couples. Hey yo boom, it's your boy King Ginger Cream de la Cream. Intwana yase Kings bathumti mandu mabuyu bambolunyu hlase ubhodla manzi abafokazane bebhodla utshwala. Welcome to another exciting episode of Niyathembana na Couple Switching Phones mntanami. We are in the streets of Johannesburg and we are looking for lovers. Abantu abanomtsholo phakathi and King Ginger ne CMTV bafuna ukuthelitswa iphakathi.
Andile ngomunye umfana nje mistake.
How, my brother?
Yes, sir.
Nepila bafethu?
Yes, sir.
Sure. Fethu kama King Ginger sister, right?
Ayanda.
Oh, siswami ya. Oh, showcase. Hayi mina bangibiza umkhondereni siswami. Wena my sister, what's your name?
Mina bangibiza Ayanda.
Oh, Ayanda.
Yeah.
Oh, Ayanda from
Natal.
From Natal. Po why you say Enda? Enda wazi usazelaphi isivenda?
No, I always talk every language I know.
Oh, yes. Okay. My brother, you good?
I'm good, how are you?
Sharp. So, ubani kam?
Arsene?
Hussein.
Yeah, Arsene from Congo.
Congo?
Yeah.
So how do you greet in Congo?
We say bonjour.
Bonjour, because you use French.
Yeah.
Oh, bonjour. Sure. So my brother, I want to know, are you guys dating?
Yes, this is my lady. We've been together for like 2 months.
2 months.
Yeah, knowing each other.
What is it that you love about Asanda?
She's very down to earth. She goes to church.
Nice.
She sings.
Nice.
Very nice.
She's a singer.
Yeah.
Oh, lovely.
Also a church goer. I believe in God.
Yes, power to that. Bonjour, my brother. Sister, so what is it that you love about your boyfriend?
Yeah, ngiyamthanda ngoba uyathanda naye isonto, ngiyamthanda umuntu othanda inkonzo.
Into ehlangene shutha wena nayo ngathini niyajela. Yeah, so wena siswami kulo 2 months lona ungasho ukuthi uyamthemba umuntu wakho?
Yeah, ngiyamthemba.
Akakaza kwenzela ama flop. Akuyena umuntu othanda amantombazane.
Akuyena umuntu othanda amantombazane. Umuntu othembekile.
My brother, when uyamthemba my sister kulo 2 months enjwala?
Yes, very nice. We spend good time together. She's always available, you know.
Sure. Because it's availability that counts.
Yeah, you see.
Yeah. Availability. No, sister. Awunike uPonjoy ihug. Umtshela ukuthi uyamthanda mfethu ngoba semnike yakhe umtshela ukuthi uyamthanda yeah. Strong Ponjo, strong man. Strong hug Ponjo. Yazo. Thank you, Ponjo. Thank you. So, my brother, I'm happy that you guys are dating, but I want to be sure if maybe you guys are facing problem sometimes. Do you have another girlfriend that you run to?
No. Me, I believe in God. I'm very, I don't do anything outside, you know. Yeah.
Wena siswami ukhona mhlambe umfana mawukuthi ubhutila akekho oyukhalele kuye mhlambe uyithola usukhalela kuye?
Cha, akekho.
Uthandana naye kuphela?
Yeah, ngithandana naye kuphela.
Kuphi emakhaya khaya Natal?
KuseTugarafera.
Ungala uthukela.
Yeah.
Uthukela kasi likabelo nogalo bafethu. Pick up to belo nogalo bafethu. Kasilabe thukela fair. So there's a thing that we do here, man of God, you know. There's a thing that we do, it's called couple switching phones. It's whereby we switch phones for 60 seconds. You give your partner your phone for 60 seconds so that she can check on WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, who are you flirting with. Same applies to you when I'm my sister. You will give your man your phone khona na izobheka ukuthi WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram ufletha nabo bani. You don't have a problem, man of God, because you know you are clean and your person is clean, right?
Yeah, she knows my Facebook password and everything. She always check it.
Can I come here? I like it, man of God. You are a straight person. You know what I like about you? Straight to the point. You are a sharpshooter, a bazooka, like Arsenal. You know Arsenal? Yes, straight. Sisters,
Yebo.
no problem. Angithi ngale nto engishilo.
Ngeke ngize ngikhona ukumnika ifoni yami mina.
Ngobani?
Kuzinezinto engamela nje ezincane nje kodwa hayi ukuthi ngiyajola.
Hayi ukuthi
Kodwa
yajola.
kumele abone ifoni yami. Asikhathi sivumelane ngale nto.
Yini mhlawumbe angamele kayibone mhlawumbe mengase ngiyibuzele.
Into encane. Phela sisase 2 months asikavulele.
So yini into ezincane ngoba sobe sesefonini sobe singekho ezintweni zakhe ezincane. So yeke into ezincane yini leyo.
Okay, ngamnika kodwa ngingangeni ku-WhatsApp.
Siswam awuthi ifoni kwesiyibone le phone yakho le esinama rules. You hear? This phone it comes with the rules. There are small problems, there are more problems. No enter on WhatsApp. What's going on between the two of you?
Why you don't want me to check your phone?
No, asikavumelani ngaso sithintana amafoni. 2 months.
Yeah, it's just 60 seconds. There's nothing to hide.
But wena siswami kulo 2 months kanti yini khona la osabambezekeke khona.
Cha kukho kodwa nje bengakatshela ukuthi sengafuna ifoni yami ngale ndlela.
Brother, you said this person is straightforward, but now curves
What's
and
the problem?
No problem. We can see.
okay. Let's see. We'll start with your phone, man of God. Trust me, brother. Hey, yeah, open it. Yeah, you were right. I see. Yeah, even representable. Yeah. Bonjour. Give it to me. Good. Bamba sis, bambi, bam, 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 bam. I'm phoning note. Okay. Okay. Now WhatsApp. Now.
Yeah.
Now WhatsApp. Zongena nje kulo WhatsApp and then uzotype la uthi I love you. Ungitshele makuvela igama lakho la noma kuvela igama lamuntu. My brother.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Type up. We are on WhatsApp right now and we are about to type the charges. Type up uthi I love you. When njama baksheli no one comes to you because you are a big person in church. So lots of ladies maybe they'll be like pastor.
No, you know, we're just people of church. Quiet,
Nothing more.
Nothing. We pray for them, you know.
Okay, only me say yeah.
Only you, ne?
Yeah.
Clean. Okay, delete it up. Type out uthi I miss you. Yeah, I miss you. Type.
Yes. I wrote it down. I got only me again.
Okay. This is coming clean. Type uthi sex. Unokuyicela sex when? I want to know, my brother, because I'm gonna take everything. It's very important.
Yes. Sir. Only me again.
Oh, man of God, man. Come on, Bonjour. Delete alapo, type money. They love money. Everyone love money. Maybe you love money too.
Maybe money for offering, you know.
Money offering.
Yeah.
You do money offering?
Okay. Only mama. The
Mama.
only. Yeah, and me. Mother and me.
And of course, do you delete? Or do you believe in deleting?
No, I don't delete. Maybe I don't delete.
Pumalab. Tani come outside.
Okay, I requested Uber for someone.
For who?
For someone.
Why?
It was just a brother. I said, come out, you know.
You remember everything.
No, I know that one. It was yesterday.
Okay, I see.
Yeah, true.
Yeah.
Do you play Facebook or all these things or Instagram or
No,
TikTok
I
kids?
don't have Instagram, Facebook, yes, and WhatsApp. But, Instagram,
Facebook.
Facebook, yeah. She knows my Facebook password.
Yeah, password, Facebook password. Sister, taxi sala, yeah.
Yeah, one. Everything is right.
Okay, mase ngitype uzotype la.
Yeah.
Makuvela igama lakho ungitshela. Uzotype mayithi no results ungitshela. Type uthi I love you and put a red heart here. Yeah.
Yeah,
And keep it clean.
She checks my Facebook all the time.
Only me.
Only you.
Yes.
Man of God is doing well. I trusted you from the beginning, my brother.
Thank you. God bless you.
Yeah, now it's time for a
Yeah, I know there's no problem.
There's no problem.
Yeah, I know.
You believe.
Yeah, she's a good believer.
Bonjour. Let's see. Konto ufuna ukuyisho nsizwa? Ayikho. Oh. Ivula. Go. Nazo. Hey, okay. Here's what's up.
Yeah.
My brother, please take your time. Ne?
Yes.
When I say type, you're gonna type here. When you see your name here, tell me. When you see other men's name here, tell me. All right, guys, my name is King Changer, Cream de la Cream, Tanasa King in Love. We on WhatsApp right now when we about to start the show on this. Type about I love you. Sister, khuluma uqiniso bakshele mfethu.
Abangishele.
Who's this one?
Which one is that one? Tell me, please, the name, brother.
It says choir conductor. Choir conductor, I love you. See you soon.
In your church. Ubani conductor. Ubani choir conductor. But you know the choir conductor of the church.
Yeah, this.
Who?
Yeah, Thabo, choir conductor of the church.
Paul manje wena noThabo nenzani?
No, it's a friend.
A friend, Paul, why you say I love you, Thabo? Choir
Because he's my
conductor.
friend. That's why I love my friend. Just a
But
friend.
Thabo is a conductor. Choir conductor.
So when utandana with the high men, how can you go and have friends with people that they respect him?
Sorry, the choir conductor is Thabo.
Yes, it's Thabo.
So why you say I love you, see you soon, see you soon?
Yeah, it's my choir conductor. That's why I say I love you. So there are many messages.
But it says Thursday. You don't have Thursday choir practice on Thursday.
No.
Kwenzalani sis? Kwenze njani? Khuluma, kusakhulume.
Umngani wami uThabo.
Umngani wakho kanjani? Ngiqale nini kuba bangani wena noThabo?
Long time.
Long time.
Yes.
Long time kanjani uqeda ukwazi umfundisi?
Uyazi naye kodwa ufike vele singabangani noThabo bese
No, my guy.
accepted.
So you got her when he was with Thabo and you took her from Thabo.
No, when we met, she doesn't have anyone. She has no
But
one.
now she's saying you took her away from Thabo. Sizama ukuphuca uThabo wena bujola noThabo.
Sitsholi noThabo.
Benenza beningabangani kusukela kudala.
Yeah.
Lento ninayiqala kudala. Were you using condom wena noThabo?
No.
No condom.
No, this is serious, my man.
They were not using condom. Him and Thabo. So
Then
him,
she goes to church choir.
yes,
So he's the one who always call you to go.
yes, is the
Yeah.
one all.
But how can you go to Thabo?
How can you go to Thabo?
No.
Of all the people.
Sister, indaba ngathi awuyisoli ngalento yenzayo mfethu.
Yes, so angisi.
Manje awuyisoli. Yini inkinga? Oh, so sometimes you
I know,
put.
man. You can't.
No, my brother, I think this lady wants to say something to you.
No.
Yeah.
Ngiyamthanda kodwa uThabo kunezinto ezinye akazenzayo akangakhona ukuzenza yena. Since afikile empilweni.
They say you are lacking, man.
Tell you what, my brother.
Yeah, yini leza ngakhona?
Kunezinto engizidingayo as umuntu esifazane yena uthi akanayo imali mangidinga imali.
You say you don't give her money.
Yeah, but you know, my brother, sometimes you have to send money home, back
Yeah.
home for the family. I give her money.
Now uyazi ukuthi umuntu esifazane hleze edinga imali. Kodwa uThabo
She
kuyanginakekela.
has my bank card, my brother. What do you mean you don't make it?
Why sister kanti wenza umfundisi kanje? Why you doing this? Umthatha advantage ngoba umfundisi engayena la
And
eSouth
you bring it
Africa.
on TV. I'm sure you plan this thing now, you and Thabo, to do.
So wena sister kahle kahle udla imali kamfundisi umazi umfundisi ukuthi akuyena ngisho la eSouth Africa. Umen slim shothi ujole naye ngoba wazi ukuthi because he's from Congo, he's a hard worker. Manje yini? Aw sometimes ngoba kana mali.
Smiling, you're not even sorry.
Yeah, he's not sorry. So are you going to continue with this one? As you can see, this one is making you a fool. He's making
Why
you
am
a
I going to
fool.
preach a church in front of Thabo? Thabo, conductor Thabo.
Chase her away, please. Qosha lo mkoto lo. Qoshe. Mfundi hayi uyamna or something you want to make it work.
No, we can fix it in the church, my brother. We're going to sort it out in the church. But you must,
Siswami.
you must testify.
Usazomnika ubhuti ithuba lokuthi nilungise esontweni uthi na uzokuphi imali kodwa ufuna ukuthi uyophenduka phambi kwesonto.
Mayeza zenza idingo zami kodwa mengezofa.
Ene. Ponjo ungakhali mfethu.
Akha.
Ponjo muthi ukukhala makhe sisa awu.
Kuzongishaya.
Ngeke akushaya umfundisi ngikhona. Ponjo mfethu makhe mfethu. Makhe mfethu sister muthi ukuhleka ngakhali mfethu. Ponjo. Ngakhali mfethu. Qina man of God man. Sister bambelele endodeni, bambelele emphethweni kaMaria. Qina. Don't cry, my brother. You love her, ne? You love her. So you're gonna. So where were you going now?
to buy something by the shops, my brother.
Sister, lento enzayo mfethu. We don't have water, man of God, but you're gonna be okay. So are you gonna go with her so that you can fix it in the house of Lord?
No, I can't. Like, you can't, you know, even in my belief, my family, you can't be with a woman who's teaching, my brother. You can't.
So
Tabo.
out of all people, the conductor, choir, the lowest one.
I can't do this, my brother.
So you are good with her?
You can't do this, my brother. She can stay good with Tabo.
Yeah.
She can stay with Tabo.
Ponjo mfethu, sorry mfethu. Ayahamba mfethu, gonna be fine. I'm sorry Ponjone. But in the church, maybe you'll get somebody.
Bring you out of a TV like this.
Yeah, she's the one who planned this. Tina, we didn't know you, man of God. Sorry, ne? Ungakhali yezo. Wena sisami kulingena izulu. Hey, unyisa umfundisi kanje. Ukakesa umfundisi kanje angeke kulingena. Nathi asambi nawe siswami ungayigodukela. Ayikho nje into esihamba nawe yona. Emva kwalento usuyenze kumfundisi. Ayahamba siswami hayi. Hawu. Wazomnyisa umfundisi yezwa mfethu ukwenzeni kangaka mfethu indoda umuntu wenkosi kazi ukwenzeni mfundi bafethu hey ayicawa ukhona yengeni lingeni izulu hey sendrophe ngisho abafundisi ungaphula inhliziyo yomfundisi umprofeti lo uman of God lo ngifebele nisho abantu abaphezulu kanje ayivalue icountry man siguqa akube nesiguqo man Shendere bobo, she, po, she, take me home.
Hey yo boom, it's your boy King Ginger Cream Dala Cream intwana yase Kings bathi umtimandi umabuya ubambolunya uhlase ubhodla amanzi abafokazane bebhodla utshwala. Welcome to another exciting episode of Niyathembana na couple switching phones mntanami. We are in the streets of Johannesburg and we are looking for lovers abantu abanomjolo phakathi and King Ginger ne CMTV bafuna ukuthela itswayi phakathi.
Andile ngomunye umfana nje mistake